बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very amazing wall hanging crochet ideas for you guys. I hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. This is very beautiful and this is very amazing ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very unique, handmade and super incredible wall hanging collection for you guys. So guys must try these wall hanging ideas at home. If you want different other craft videos, then you guys must share your ideas with me. Follow for more details. These are very amazing, these are very unique and super incredible collection for you guys. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video. Always take care, always be happy, and these are very unique and very beautiful ideas for you guys. Take care, bye bye.